Protests against price hike there continues for the 6th day in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, with demonstrators clashing with the police. In fact, the violence that has gripped the region since the 10th of May has left at least 4 people dead, including a police officer, and over 100 injured. Traders have taken to the streets to protest against high electricity and food prices. Protesters have broken barricades and clashed with the police in Muzaffarabad. The situation has forced Pakistan government now to allocate 23 billion for immediate release to the region to quell simmering unrest. Meanwhile, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has reiterated that Pakistan is and always will be the POK rather, is and always will be part of India, and that integration of POK will be part 2 of series after abrogation of Article 370. That's basically the next focus for the BJP.
जब इंडिया अलायंस का शासन था, हमारे कश्मीर में हड़तालें पड़ती थी। आज मोदी जी का प्रभाव देखिए, कश्मीर के भारत के हिस्से में हड़ताल नहीं होती है, पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर में हड़ताल होती है। पाक कॉपी को पहले नारे आजादी के यहां लगते थे, यहां पर आजादी के नारे लगते, कश्मीर में अब पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर में आजादी के नारे लगते। पहले यहां पत्थरबाजी होती थी, आज वहां पत्थरबाजी होती है। ये मणिशंकर अय्यर, एक फारूक अब्दुल्ला हमें डराते हैं, देश को डराने का काम कर रहे हैं कि एटम बम है पाकिस्तान के पास, पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर की बात न करो। मैं आज श्रीरामपुर की धरती पर कहकर जाता हूं, राहुल बाबा आपको डरना है तो डरिए, ममता दीदी आपको डरना है तो डरिए। ये पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर भारत का है और हम उसको लेकर रहेंगे।
Today, yes, things are, there is a certain ferment happening in POK. I think you can see it in social media, you can see it on television. The analysis of it is very complex, but definitely I have no doubt in my own mind that someone living in POK is comparing their situation with someone actually living in Jammu and Kashmir and saying that, how is it that people today are actually progressing there. And they know that sense of being under occupation, of being discriminated, of being treated badly. I think clearly that any such comparison would be preying on their minds. And, the gentleman there actually asked me, POK, when would it merge? I don't know what you mean by merge, because it has been India, it is always India.